I'm Michael Kowalski. I'm the founder of Contentment. We're the producers of Padify, which is a cross-platform publishing tool. The key problems we're trying to solve with this product, I guess, are quite well known now. That there's lots of different devices in the market space of different sizes, different screens, and so forth. And the technology for how we can deliver to those different platforms is reasonably well understood. We can use HTML5 and we can use responsive design and so forth. The problem that still remains is, how do you build a practical, scalable workflow around doing that? That deals with the fact that as a publisher, you already have a load of content, you've already got staff, you've already got systems. So that's really what we're trying to do with Padify. The idea with Padify is we take the assets that you've already generated for your print publications. We do a quick and dirty conversion to HTML5, and we provide a layout tool that makes it possible for you to apply some responsive design, enhance with video or slideshows or other interactive bits and pieces, and then push out either to go wrapped up in hybrid apps, which is probably the most interesting bit, especially for magazine publishers, or it could go out in web apps, or we generate EPUB 3 as well. You can put your content into EPUB 3. So I think the big focus of our product is about optimizing the editorial workflow, making it really simple and for a non-technical person to quickly achieve kind of great results with their content on different platforms. We founded, I should back up a little bit, we founded about a year ago. We got our first little bit of funding. Today, Dennis Publishing here have announced that they're investing in the business as a strategic investment, which is going to mean that all of Dennis's titles will be rolling out migrating from Adobe's publishing suite to Padify over the next 6 months or so, which is great news for us. Okay, so here's a quick, I'll just do a really super quick run through some key bits of the interface that I think are interesting. So one thing is we've got Dropbox Sync built in as a kind of really easy way to get in your content without doing loads of tedious copy and paste and so on. Go into, this is the table of contents for a magazine that we do. It's a fashion style magazine, so it's kind of quite rich content, but it's produced by quite a small team. So we have sort of instant, you'll see there's a 3-column layout here. We have a built-in responsive grid layout stuff. You can chunk a page up into different sections and then apply different responsive layouts to different sections of the page, which means you can get quite rich and varied layouts without a lot of effort. And because they're all responsive, if you swap to a phone view, it kind of collapses down to a single column. You can add, let's go find an interesting page. We can add things like some built-in things like animations and different types of styling, and we can save styles for reuse elsewhere. So we've got a lot of thinking about how you can do things quickly and then reuse the output in other locations. And of course we've got built-in multi-level undo, and we've got versioning as well built in so that you can easily recover from any problems. Let me the key features. Of course you can enhance your content with things like video, slideshows, which we do using this layers functionality. I'll give you a quick demo of that. Let's make a layer. So this is now a layer with one thing in it, which isn't very interesting. We'll add another layer. I'll put something in that layer. Oops, that didn't work, obviously, because of the demo. Let's go back and try that again. Okay, can we forget about this, because I've just hit a phone. Oh no, I haven't, sorry, here we go, yeah. So I've now got these two layers, I can swap between them. That one needs styling, obviously. can go through and add more layers here as well, or style the way that those layers work. Trying to think what else I've got to show. Probably I've kind of covered off the main things. Oh yeah, we deal with font substitution as well. That often the fonts that come in from print will be not licensed for use in digital, so you'll have to swap in licensed fonts or system fonts instead for using them. So that's another kind of key feature. And then finally we can export to HTML5, export to EPUB, or plug it into your delivery system, whatever that is, whether you're doing it through a CMS or whatever. Yeah.
Do you have a favourite feature yourself? Or a favourite key combination that you just think, right, it's not been there in my life?
One thing I really like that we do is that we let you edit stuff after it's been templated, which a lot of solutions won't do that, and that just saves so much rework that it means you can design around content to some extent, rather than like in the web world, quite often you do all the design up front and you squirt your content through it, and that's what you've got. And I think by allowing you to kind of then go, actually it would be slightly better if you get kind of better and more beautiful results. So,
anything else you feel? Hidden gems like that?
There's obviously you get an API for all this stuff, which right now nobody's doing anything with, but could be kind of interesting down the line. And you can attach metadata and so on to your content, which I think that sort of thing is going to be becoming more interesting to people as the time goes by.